I found a good parking spot. How are you? It's great. Ricardo. So these are probably the best estimates that I love doing. It's commercial estimates. You know, the thing about it is I try to teach people all the time about how to do commercial estimates, and some people listen and some people don't. But I'm gonna tell you, the key in doing these commercial estimates is confidence and professionalism. I'm gonna tell you, if you go in there with a good confidence, the customer will feel it. I mean, he knows it. You know, whoever you're doing this job for, doing this estimate for, they know if they're dealing with someone that's professional and someone that knows what the heck they're doing. So I look forward to these all the time. When someone says, hey, Ricardo, send the junk guys to do an estimate, I come out because I know my sell-through is about 99.9. I'm gonna tell you, when I get in front of your face, I'm usually going to sell it to you and get that estimate into a job. And that's what I did here. So I went in there with this confidence. I talked to the lady. I was in there talking to the owner. Everything was really great. Whoever she had to answer for, I made the answers, the questions that he would probably ask, I gave them to her, which made her job a lot easier when she actually had to turn around to the owner and say, hey, this guy's bidding on this job for this much. And that was another thing. She wanted accurate pricing. And when I was there, I'm going to tell you, I gave her accurate prices. I was like, this is going to be the price. If I mess it up, I don't care. I stick to this price, and that's what it's going to be. And that's what happened. I gave her a set price for this job, and I told you that's what you're going to pay me when I'm done. And you know what? She was satisfied with that. I think that's when the professionalism and that confidence came in. That she goes, this guy knows what he's talking about. But not only that, here was the killer. To close the nail on the coffin, I'm going to tell you what it was. I offered next day and same day service, and believe it or not, they hired us the next day, and that was closing this deal.
Office clean up, okay? So it's 4 cubicles. There they are right there. That's 1, 2, and then there's 2 more on each side. And then you got another 4 right here. And there's 4. So it's 4 cubicles on this side, and then 4 cubicles on that side. And that's what we're hauling up today. Yes. So we're gonna try to knock this out in about maybe 2 hours. There's 3 of us. MJD Junk Removals here today, helping me out. MJD, what's up? Oh, he don't talk. Top secret. You can see him, he put a finger up, like telling me shut up or something. I don't know what it is.
I think if I just take out the drawers, it'd be lighter.
And then I got my boy right here, Eric, who that went a little too far and broke down everything.
I'm just gonna take out the drawers.
Oh, you're explaining it? Is this like a how-to?
Well, I have to try to figure out the most easiest.
This is a how-to. Step on it.
And this job was only a few miles from me, okay? To be honest, it was 2.5 miles away from my headquarters, so I wanted to give the job. I wanted it, and I needed this job. I'm gonna tell you guys, it was going to be a cake job. Why? I have experience in removing cubicles, and that's what it is. It's an office building located in downtown Dallas. I'm only 1 mile from downtown Dallas, and this job was 1.5 miles away from downtown Dallas. So it was perfect for me to get this job. So I can actually play with the price here. I had the ability to give the best rate and the cheapest price, so I needed to get this job. So if you're wondering what had to be done correctly, was the pricing. The pricing had to be done correctly because of the distance I was traveling and where I was located. That had to do a lot with everything on this job. So the job was estimated at $1,500. And I'm going to tell you, I knew exactly what the price was going to be when I gave her the estimate right then and there. Listen, 5 seconds when walking into that building, I said $1,500. In my head, I was thinking that the whole time. But I did ask her, how much does the owner want to spend? And she was going, oh, he wants to spend about $1,000. I said, well, $1,000 ain't gonna get it done, but $1,500 will. And she said, let me see if I can sell it to her. Then I gave her the sell-through points. I was like, this is what you need to tell the owner, that this is what I'm gonna do, this is why. And listen, what am I gonna do this job? I couldn't do the job by myself, so I had to subcontract this job with my two main guys, MJD, Jamon Dupree, he's the owner, and then I have Eric from Mid-Cities Junk Removal helping me out. So I got the right two guys. Now I'm only gonna pay Eric $100 for showing up, and I'm gonna give MJD $400 for filling up my trailer, because he's actually using my trailer out there. But listen, overall, it's a day's work, and he's getting $400, Eric's getting $100, and I'm gonna profit $1,000 off this job. So it's perfect for me, and I'm gonna be minimalizing what I have to do. I'm not gonna do all the work, but I did show up to work today. All right, so it was Thursday when I gave her the estimate. I actually went out there Friday to do the job. So on Friday, I contacted Eric Vidal, I contacted Jamon Dupree to come out there and help me out. We had kind of a system in place. I already knew how everything was going down because I kind of observed everything. The day I gave her the estimate, I looked how we were going to do the job. So here it is. Eric Vidal from Mid-Cities Junk Removal broke down all the cubicles, all 8 of them, okay? Then, as he's breaking them down, I'm putting them on dollies or a flat dolly and putting them to the door where Jamon Dupree from MJD Hauling and Transporting would grab all the stuff and take it to my trailer that was outside. I let him borrow my trailer because I knew we needed 2 16-foot trailers. So I brought the box truck, and then he brought the 16-foot flatbed trailer. And that's really how we got the job done. It was completed in less than 2 hours, and I'm going to tell you, the customer was totally happy.
We're done, Zoe, Eric. All right, Eric, it took us a couple hours to do this job, didn't it, brother? A couple hours, got here around 10 o'clock. Finished up around 12:30. 1 o'clock, something like that. It's been here a couple hours. My boy MJD right here, back there and took off running.
Just teamwork, good teamwork, good strategy plan. Knock it on out. No breaks.
No breaks. Oh no, we never take breaks. We don't need breaks. No, we don't know breaks. Eric doesn't know what he's talking about. We're out of here. Finished up. We filled up this one. Okay. So this was a $1,500 job. We finished this one, and then we finished half of that one over there. So we finished loading half of that one. Not a lot of stuff went in that one. Most of the stuff went in this one. Be a lot easier load than that. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. Hope you enjoy this. Working with my friends, Mid-Cities Junk Removal, MJD Junk Removal also. Really easy. These guys are studs. They work hard, earn some money. All right, over now. Bye-bye.
Do you dream of making more money with your business or creating a business that doesn't rely on you? You're gonna solve all of these problems and more at JunkCon 22. You're gonna gain something that's gonna make you thousands, hundreds of thousands, or maybe even millions of dollars over the years to come. And as an exclusive deal for fans of Ricardo's content, you're gonna be entered into a drawing to win a brand new Sawzall with a full set of Diablo Steel Demon Blades. Click the link in the description to get your tickets now. Y'all are crushing it out there, and Ricardo and myself look forward to seeing you at JunkCon 22.